What's your name? My name's Ron. What's your name?
My name's Lauren.
Lauren. Okay,
Your
Lauren.
name is I have a degree and I will destroy you.
Okay.
Newly released body cam video shows a woman allegedly drunk being arrested and not holding back on police in New Jersey.
I don't need the law behind me. I know the law. If you touch me again, if you touch me again.
This video from January that I'll show you is shocking. It's so shocking that people have labeled her a, quote, screaming banshee. But sadly, that video is perhaps foreshadowing to the case she is now accused of in Massachusetts, allegedly driving drunk, hitting, and killing this man who was on his moped.
I know my rights. I know my right to remain silent. I know my right to remain silent.
And it turns out this woman has an alleged history of drunken outbursts. Multiple were caught on body camera that I'm about to show you. It's a pattern that went on for years and was not allegedly stopped until it cost someone their life. We're on the case, presented by Law and Crime. I'm Chris Stewart. We have multiple body cam videos that go back multiple years, allegedly showing the same woman having violent outbursts on police officers. Before I play those videos for you, I want to introduce you to 73-year-old Dan O'Neill, because in this story, he ultimately loses his life. His friends called him Danny. He grew up with 9 siblings near Boston. According to his obituary, Danny's life was, quote, filled with joy and adventure. He will be remembered as a loving, kind, and compassionate man. His wonderful sense of humor made him always fun to be around, and his thoughtfulness knew no bounds. Cambridge, Massachusetts police say that Danny was hit and killed on his moped on March 21st around 1:30 in the morning. The driver, who police arrested for driving under the influence, also allegedly hit a Massachusetts Institute of Technology police cruiser. That is according to Cambridge PD. The driver, Lauren Mullins. Here she is in court per WCVB TV in Boston. Mullins is facing a charge in that case of motor vehicle homicide for allegedly hitting and killing O'Neill, who was on his moped. You saw that video of her in court, and she looks very subdued as she stands by her attorney and faces a judge. That is very different from the Lauren Mullins that we allegedly see in this body cam video. Watch this.
Hold on.
You're an idiot.
This is newly released body cam from the Hoboken Police Department on January 31st of this year, when Mullins was arrested in a separate case in New Jersey. Watch more here.
Awesome, I see your badge.
Relax your
Don't care who you are.
Relax.
I am not under arrest.
Relax.
I am
Relax.
free to leave.
Stop.
I am not under arrest.
Stop.
I am free to leave.
All right.
I am not under arrest.
Stop moving.
So
Stop moving.
I'm not under arrest.
You're being held
Hold
for
on.
your safety.
We're
Oh,
just telling you
awesome.
for now. Relax. Relax.
Oh.
We're concerned about you. You got anything to drink tonight?
Nope.
How much have you had to drink, bud?
Like 2 drinks.
It seems like a little bit more than that. I can smell it on your breath. Okay?
First of all, you can never smell that on somebody's breath.
Hold on. Listen
You're
to me.
a fucking idiot.
Listen to me. Listen to me. My name is Ron. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name's Ron. What's your name?
My name's Lauren.
Lauren. Okay,
Your
Lauren.
name is I have a degree and I will destroy you.
Okay. Lauren. Listen to me.
You
We're
saw
concerned-
me. You were there.
Hey, but why
Are you
are you
kidding?
running on the streets? Why are you running around the streets right now? Why are we running around the streets right now?
Because I'm annoyed.
About what?
Because all of you guys wearing strong and polite like cologne.
Who? Where?
All of you guys.
Okay. Okay. So listen.
I've seen you. I've seen you. I've seen
Okay,
you.
I've never seen you before, Lauren. So listen
Okay.
to me. Look,
So look
listen
up
to
the
me.
surveillance
Alright,
cameras then.
Lauren,
Look up the surveillance
Lauren,
cameras.
take a breath.
No, look up the surveillance cameras.
All right, put your hands on your back.
Oh, so because I identified him and he disagrees now it's
Got another.
my fault? Are you kidding me?
We're not going to have her keep putting her hands in people's faces.
Can I explain something to you? Not under arrest.
So let me go.
We can't let you go because you're acting erratic and you're running into the street.
All right, Lauren.
For your own safety,
Lauren.
that you're being placed in handcuffs.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. Lauren, please. Lauren, please.
You didn't look at me when I asked you to look at me, so
Lauren.
nope.
Lauren,
Nope.
listen to me.
I asked you to look at me, and
Lauren.
you didn't look at me like I was you look at me like I was an inferior, so I'm not
Lauren.
looking at you like you're a superior. Absolutely. not.
Lauren,
I have a
I
question.
hear you. No, I hear him.
know.
I hear
I'm
him.
trying to talk to you.
No, I hear it. I'd rather talk to you. I'm not talking to this.
My name.
This just told me I looked at him in the face.
Okay, Lauren.
That's on record.
Lauren, where are you coming from?
That's on record.
Okay, where are you coming from, Lauren?
I'm not doing anything until I get the on record that I told him I was okay.
Everything's being recorded on body camera.
I'm not doing anything until we get the audio cam that I told him I was okay.
Okay, I'm just.
I'm
trying to
not doing anything.
ask- Okay, I just want to know where you're coming from.
I want a lawyer.
All right, you're not
I'm not talking to
You're
you.
not under arrest
I
right now.
am not talking to you. Absolutely not.
You just said you
I want a lawyer. I said I'm not talking to you.
Stop screaming.
What are you talking about? I didn't say anything contrary to that.
Screaming. Or you're going to be
I
placed under
don't
arrest.
care.
Where do you live? Do you live in Hoboken?
No.
Is there somebody we can notify that
Nope.
you're out here?
Nope.
We're just
No,
concerned about your
okay.
safety right now.
Did
No.
we give 34 an updated location?
I will be
Like on
fine.
the road.
I told him 15.
My mom is in Red Bank. She knows.
Okay, where do you
Where's
live?
Rosa Park.
We'll preach you to Hoboken on Wednesday, Thursday night.
Are you kidding me?
It's just a question.
Does it matter?
Have you been drinking?
But it's 3:30 in the morning. It's Friday morning. I'm just curious what.
You know I have
What's your
friends.
intentions here?
You know I have friends
Okay,
that live in different boroughs.
where are they?
At home. Pregnant. You, what are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Corroborate my story that I was there? Awesome.
Maybe they
Cool.
take care of you, make sure you get home safe.
No, they're pregnant!
Stop screaming.
Yeah,
No.
anyway. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, anyway.
Where's
Anyway.
your ETA?
They were asked to step up their response.
Awesome. I'm such a prime suspect. I am so
Concerned for your well-being.
abusive.
You're not-
Yeah.
Lauren,
Well, that's the thing.
Lauren, listen to me.
You guys are trained NYPD, and if you guys are scared of a 125-pound woman,
Ma'am,
you guys need to get better training.
Ma'am, you're in Hoboken, New
Lauren,
Jersey.
do you know where you are?
Yeah, I know where I am.
Where are you?
Hoboken.
That's because I just said it.
Yeah. So
Um,
shut the up.
Well, ma'am, stop.
If
ma'am,
you
stop.
ever pull me back again,
you're
I will
not-
drop
Are
this
you under
place.
arrest?
Oh, now I'm under arrest because you. Are you kidding me? Because you. Are you kidding me? Because you. You just enticed
Keep your
me.
hands up here.
That
Stay against the wall.
enticed me.
Stay against the wall.
You
Stay against the car.
just enticed me.
Stay against the
Are
car.
you kidding me?
Lauren, take a breath.
Oh yeah. You guys were like watching me waiting for something. I will get this. Yeah. Awesome. You guys were waiting for something
Scar,
to
can
arrest
you
me.
grab this other
were
arm while he's
watching
searching?
me. You were watching me with your cuffs on. You were watching
stay
me
against the
with
car.
your cuffs on. You were watching
Against the car.
Oh my God, if you hit my head against this, if you abuse me, I never resisted. And I didn't resist. I never one time resisted.
Stop moving your
Didn't
body like that.
resist.
Stop pulling your
Did
legs.
not
Put your
resist.
face against the car and be
Didn't
quiet.
resist. Didn't resist.
You are resisting.
No, I didn't. You just saw that and
Just so you
you.
know, you're under arrest for
Are you
aggravated assault.
kidding me?
Okay?
Yeah, because you just saw it. Oh
Well,
my
because nothing.
God.
This is
Oh
all you're doing.
my God. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing the community assault. Yep, that's what we're doing. We're doing the community assault. Yep, it's going everywhere. Good, awesome. You want me to sit here? Good. Let me sit here.
Stop, Lauren.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You already got me for my feet up. It doesn't
Fine.
matter. Doesn't matter. That's what I'm saying.
All
It
right.
doesn't matter.
In the vehicle.
It doesn't matter. I just
sit-
saw you
Lauren,
in the
Lauren, just take
bar
a seat.
2 minutes ago.
Lauren, just take a seat.
I just saw this in this bar. door.
Lauren,
I
just take a seat, Lauren.
Get a breathalyzer
Someone
on
go outside.
him.
Someone go outside.
Get a breathalyzer
Lauren, sit
on
up, Lauren.
If you don't get a breathalyzer
Lauren, sit up.
on those officers, I'm done.
Come on, sit up like a big girl. Let's go.
Yeah, get a breathalyzer.
Sit up.
Get a breathalyzer.
Get in the car.
Get a breathalyzer on those officers.
Sit up right. Let's go.
Yeah.
Put your legs in
Get
the car,
a
Lauren.
breathalyzer on those people like a big girl. Get a those people. Get a breathalyzer.
Lauren, you gotta sit up.
You want to smack the door
Lauren,
in
you
my
have to
face.
sit up, Lauren.
You want to smack the door in my face. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Your
Got the
seatbelt.
law behind you. I don't need a law behind me. I don't need the law behind me. I know the law. If you touch me again, if you touch me again,
Lauren, we're just trying to get this seatbelt on you, Lauren.
It was unnecessary force. It was unnecessary force.
Here you go, sorry.
He said I was secured. He said I was secured. Oh, you're done, bro.
Relax, man.
He said I was secured. He said I was secured. You came in after the fact. Oh, I'm already secured. I'm already secured. It's Friday. If you touch me with that,
Face away from me.
I don't give a
Stop letting her move.
It's in there. On the record.
There we go.
Because you were dumb and that's not my fault.
According to New Jersey court records that we found, this is a case that's still open against Mullins. She was charged with disorderly conduct. Also in that body cam, you heard her talk about having a degree. Mullins is a recent grad of Suffolk University Law School in Boston. Here she is in the school's magazine celebrating the New England Patriots Super Bowl win in 2019. Just weeks after that incident in New Jersey that we just showed you, police say she hit and killed O'Neill while he was on his moped while driving drunk, allegedly, in Massachusetts. And it turns out that Mullins' alleged aggressive behavior is part of a pattern that goes back years. We found that Mullins has currently at least 3 open cases in New Jersey where she is accused of charges like disorderly conduct, and there are 2 we found where she's facing charges for assault on a law enforcement officer. Then you have this case. This is from Roselle Park, New Jersey. It's body cam video from January 2023, and it shows officers confronting Mullins, who appears to be in a dispute with her neighbors. In this body cam, we then see the officers go talk to her neighbors, who are the ones who called police, and they say this about Mullins' alleged drinking.
They've been screaming the entire day.
Okay, what
They've
happened?
been screaming the entire day.
Okay, about what?
They scream about
You don't
everything.
have, listen to me, you don't have to raise your voice. What happened? Just talk to me.
All right, they scream about everything.
Okay,
and
about
now
what,
my jeans are getting wet, so I'm gonna back up because I can't even They scream all day, every day, like a couple, like screaming, like
Are you
whatever.
talking? Who are you talking about? Your neighbors?
Yes.
Downstairs neighbors? Okay.
Yes. My
Okay.
downstairs neighbors.
So it was just them arguing or something like that? Who
Yeah,
does-
I
who does-
worked the double. I don't even know what they were screaming
So
about. I was at work
Okay.
since 10 o'clock this morning.
Okay, so what you
And
just
still, it's probably gonna be my fault, right?
No,
It's gonna be my
no,
fault.
we're not blaming anybody. We're just trying to figure out what's going on here and why we're here. That's all. so-
I'm still trying to figure out why you guys are here.
Okay.
And so I'm sitting in a pile of mud.
Okay, listen to me. Did you and your neighbor exchange words?
No, not today.
Not today? Okay.
Not today. Yes,
Okay.
in the past, absolutely.
Okay, so when you got home, what happened? Was he outside?
No, not at all. I just got home like 10 minutes ago.
Okay. Is your mother home?
Yes.
Okay.
Call her. Go get her down here.
Was she involved in what happened today?
No.
Okay.
Nothing was involved. There's nothing that happened.
Okay. What time did you get home
I
from
just
work?
took my dog down to walk
gotcha.
him, and there was like 10 million police officers around here.
What
There was
time?
absolutely nothing that happened. I just took my dog down here. That's why I didn't put a leash on him.
Okay.
He doesn't need a leash.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. What time did you get done with work?
Like 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Can't do anything.
So you guys didn't get into an argument? You and your neighbor?
No, we did not.
Okay. Did anything happen?
You want to ask my mom?
Was she involved in what happened tonight
I'm
or
sorry,
not?
my is wet on this thing.
Can you just stay on the... Don't...
My is wet everywhere. My is wet.
I don't want you to be in the street, though.
I'm right, my ass is wet.
Okay, you
Is
can
there
stand on the
somewhere
sidewalk,
dry
though.
I can see?
Come on, dog. Yeah, let's stay on the sidewalk. Come on, pup. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Alright, Remy, come here. Come here, buddy. Remy! Remy!
Come on.
Remy!
Come on, buddy.
Remy!
Come on, buddy.
Remy! Come here, buddy.
Come on.
Remy.
How old is he?
11.
11.
Almost. Come here. I love you. Oh, my little baby. Oh, I love you.
Very good. So you just got out of work, you said? Yeah. What happened? You just, you and your neighbors, I guess your downstairs neighbors, you guys just don't get along very well?
No.
No. Okay.
Nothing to do with me. This has been going on for 14 years. I just moved back last year. It has nothing to do with me.
Do you wanna maybe go have a, let's go have a seat on the steps over here.
Yeah.
In this body cam, we then see the officers go talk to her neighbors, who are the ones who called police, and they say this about Mullins' alleged drinking.
So she's getting drunk lately very often. And each time she gets drunk, she said she gets very violent.
Then in the body cam, we see the officers go back to Mullins to talk to her in her unit after her neighbors said that she was being aggressive after having allegedly gotten drunk.
Why are we here right now?
I don't know.
Okay.
You tell me.
Well, we got called here.
Yeah, by who? By my mom.
I don't know that.
So why don't you talk to her?
You said mom's not here.
So why are you here? Exactly. Bye. She's not here. You're not here. Bye. I think you have no reason to be here then, right?
Alright, can you have a seat back on the couch, please?
You have no reason to be here.
There's some sort of...
You want to go look for my mom? I'll direct you, right? You want to look for my mom? Go look for
We
her.
don't need to talk to mom.
Then what the are you doing here?
Officers then take Mullins outside and things escalate further.
You want to see my boobs too? Let's do that. Yep, let's do that.
Lauren,
Lauren, stop.
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 Well, then why don't you shut the up?
Nobody's talking to you.
Okay, well, get me a sip of water then. Get my mom. My mom said she's not going to press authorities, so what the are we doing here?
Your mom's not even involved in this.
Okay, so what am I doing here? Get me back to the precinct at least.
You're not going there. You're going to the hospital.
Oh, okay. Forgot about that. Well, in that case,
Sit up.
you just said I'm going to the hospital, so no. Why would I do what you're doing if you're already telling me what to do with the hospital?
Stop.
All right, well, get me a sip of water. How about
I don't
that?
have any water for you.
All right, well, then I want to lay down. Choke me then. Choke me. You want to choke me? Choke me.
Lauren, how old are you? Honestly.
How old are you older than you, you moron?
I wish I wanted to ask. I'm asking.
I got way more training than you do. You fucking idiot. You fucking idiot. I'll fucking die here before I fucking put my hands into you. Please. Where's my mom?
I called.
Where is my mom?
Raising your voice.
Right? You just said you called my mom, right? Where the is she?
Mom's not involved. Stop.
Oh, well, she is then, if she's my legal guardian now. Please.
You're over the age of 18.
Okay, and I'm not authorizing you. I want an attorney.
Okay.
I'm not doing until I get an attorney, so you guys can look at me and laugh at me and do all you want.
Don't do anything. Don't
I will do all the things.
know everything
I will
that you say can
dance
be
for
used
you.
against us.
All right, we'll get an attorney because your boy got a lot of words. Your boy got a lot of words over here.
Well,
So get an attorney.
you know your rights.
Yeah, I know. So get one, or I will scream about it.
We will later.
Ah! I want an attorney! They won't give me an attorney!
You're not being charged with anything.
Exactly, so let me go.
No.
I'm leaving. I'm not charged with anything.
Where are you gonna go?
Because I'm not charged with anything. I am not charged with anything. So get the off me.
Okay, come on.
Get the off me.
We then see Mullins being taken to a hospital strapped to a gurney. We found court records that show that she was originally charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, but the final charges in this case was for a count of harassment, and she was sentenced to pay fines. So that was 2023. The next case that we found was through this post on the Westfield, New Jersey police blotter, and it has Mullins being arrested in June of 2024 for, quote, drunken and disorderly behavior. So let's go a couple months after that, and it's October 2024, and we have body cam video of Mullins allegedly in a dispute outside of what appears to be a bowling alley with police. Watch this.
Hey. What up, 10 against 1, let's go! You got
Relax. Guys, just go inside, please.
Go inside,
Hey.
I asked you 3 times.
If you don't knock it off, you get
Don't
locked
look
up.
at me like that, bro. Get the out of here.
What's going on?
Oh my God, I was trying to go home. I was looking for my little Uber. And they were like, you can't go outside without it. Like a little, you need to get an Uber account.
Okay, you got ID on you?
Yeah, I mean, I
Can
do.
I have it, please?
I can get home in like 10 minutes.
I need your ID first.
I don't. Of course you do. Of course you do.
Listen,
For what?
because I need to identify you.
You're gonna get locked up, okay?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. He's already telling me. Once he asked for my ID, I know I'm locked up.
Stop yelling.
He asked for my ID, I know I'm locked up. Like, he already knew. Exactly, now I'm locked up. Ah!
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
Good, awesome, love it.
And it's gonna be more if we keep it up.
Perfect, love it. Awesome, love it.
What's wrong? Make sure you put those on a little tighter.
Love it!
That's good. No, that's not.
Not tight enough! Oh, it's not tight enough!
It's double.
Oh, it's not tight enough! Oh, it's not tight enough! I hope you have it on the body cam! It's not tight enough! Oh, that's another lawsuit coming! Oh, please, that's another lawsuit. Oh, please. I can't wait till I pass the bar exam. That's another lawsuit coming. That's another lawsuit coming. That's another lawsuit coming. You think it's so funny that that's all you need to do.
I just need some light.
Why are you taking so long? It's supposed to be easy,
Because
right?
you're not moving. Because you're moving
It's
around.
supposed to be easy. They say it's supposed to be easy without somebody even coming into that. Can you help me? Oh, sorry. I know.
It's double locked.
It's double locked. Oh. It's double locked.
It's double locked.
That's not normal. That's not normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. I'm telling you. I'm not acting crazy, sir. I'm acting
Yeah, you are.
You act like you're crazy. You know it's not crazy. You're
Are you
a
gonna
piece-
calm down?
You're a scumbag.
Are you gonna calm down?
No, I'm not. If he thinks
I'm not
it's
gonna
a
start
piece
to
of
relock
garbage, no, I will never calm. I will never calm
Both of
down.
them or just the one?
I will never calm down. I will never calm down. I will never calm down. If he thinks that it's a little baby excursion.
Hey, you got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't
Yeah, I
be used
know
against
my
you in a court
rights.
of law.
So I can
You have a
scream.
right to an attorney.
I
If you
know,
cannot afford
so
to
I
hire
can
one,
scream.
one will be
I
appointed
can
to represent you
scream.
if you wish.
I can
You understand
scream.
these rights as being read
I
to you.
know my rights. I will scream my rights all day
Put your
long.
rights down.
I will suck my. Talk about my rights. I know my rights. I know my right to remain silent. I know my right to remain silent.
Records we found then show she was arrested less than 2 months later in December of 2024 on the 15th. That's in New Jersey once again. It's a case that's still open. She is facing a charge of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, and we're not done. Records show she was arrested the next month on January 19th for aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, and that case appears to still be open in New Jersey. Then, 12 days after that, the incident in Hoboken that we just showed you on body cam.
This just told me I looked at him.
So you can start to see a pattern here of what Mullins has been accused of multiple times. Then you have on March 21st of this year, where Mullins allegedly hits and kills Dan O'Neill, who was on his moped in Cambridge. Police say the crash also damaged a police car, and here's a picture of that. You can see the damage on the back of this MIT police cruiser. WCVB TV was in court for Mullins' appearance, facing that charge of motor vehicle homicide. Prosecutors say that officers could not conduct a sobriety test in Cambridge because Mullins was allegedly belligerent. In court, according to WBZ, Mullins' lawyer pointed to the fact that she went to law school and reportedly said, quote, "This is not an 18-year-old gang kid, and I suggest that even given the record that you see before you, it is recent, it is not a lifetime of it, and it is curable." Dan O'Neill's niece told WCVB, quote, "She doesn't feel remorse. She's not sorry. She's only sorry because she has to pay for it." According to Boston media, Mullins' bail was set at $65,000. She could face up to 20 years in prison in that case in Massachusetts. Mullins is reportedly due back in court in May. For On the Case presented by Law&Crime, I'm Chris Stewart. We'll see you next time.